How are creditor claims paid first from an estate? Imagine you've just lost a loved one, and now the estate needs to be settled. One of the first questions that comes up is, who gets paid first? It's a good question because the way debts are paid can affect everyone involved. When someone passes away, their estate includes all their assets like money, property, and personal belongings. It also includes any debts they owed. The estate must pay those debts before anything can be given to heirs or beneficiaries. The process starts with the executor or personal representative. They are responsible for notifying known creditors about the death. They also publish a notice in the local newspaper to alert unknown creditors. Creditors then have a set period, usually around 4 to 6 months, to present their claims in writing. These claims must include details about how much is owed and proof of the debt. The executor reviews all claims carefully to decide which are valid. Once claims are accepted, the law sets a specific order for paying them. First, the estate pays for expenses related to settling the estate. These include funeral costs, court fees, and fees for the executor or administrator. These costs are considered necessary to manage the estate properly. Next, secured creditors are paid. These are creditors who have a legal claim or lien on specific property, like a mortgage on a house or a car loan. Their claims are satisfied from the proceeds of the property they hold a lien on. After secured creditors, priority unsecured creditors are paid. These include unpaid taxes owed by the deceased, child support or alimony arrears, and criminal restitution orders. These debts are given priority because of laws that protect certain interests. Following these, general unsecured creditors are paid. This group includes credit card companies, medical providers, personal loans, and other debts that are not backed by collateral. They are paid only after higher priority debts are settled. Tax claims, especially from the Federal Internal Revenue Service or state tax agencies, usually have high priority. However, if a creditor has a lien that was filed before the tax lien, that creditor might get paid first. If the estate does not have enough assets to cover all debts, it is called insolvent. In this case, creditors are paid in order of priority, and some may receive only partial payment or nothing at all. The executor must follow these rules carefully. They need to verify claims, reject invalid ones, and sometimes negotiate settlements. The probate court oversees this process to ensure everything is fair and legal. From the perspective of estate law, handling creditor claims promptly and correctly helps prevent delays and protects the interests of heirs. Proper notice and adherence to deadlines are key because claims that are not filed on time can be barred. In the end, the law guides the order of paying creditor claims from an estate. First, administrative costs are paid, then secured creditors, followed by priority unsecured debts like taxes, and finally general unsecured debts. The executor plays a vital role in managing this process under court supervision to make sure everything is done fairly and lawfully.